G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. We are her crew, Michelle, Katran, Fleur and Anouk. Join us as we continue our journey to get to know and fall in love with our new Contest 36 named Empress. Be part of our adventure. We hope you enjoy our videos. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, comment, and don't forget to leave a like.
Hi, welcome back to this week's episode of Empress Sailing. This week we finish the hoses. We have some fun first, then put the boat back in the water, and we get her ready for her big adventures this year. So enjoy the video. Good morning all. Today is Tuesday, the 4th of April. Yeah, something like that. 4:04. Today is the tru-hull day, so I'm back at the boat. The boat's on the shore at the moment, and I'm going to do the tru-hulls. So first I'm going to disconnect all the hoses, and then see which nuts I can lose from the inside, and then I'll take off grind out the tru-hulls on the outside. Yes, we're in the engine room now, and this is one of the tru-hulls that I was worried about, and the reason that I'm doing this changeover. You can see that's heavily corroded, so it must be leaking slightly even on all the fittings. So it's to come out. As you can see, that one is still fiberglassed in, so that's one of the original tru-hulls. I'll need to pull it, clean around that before I can take the tru-hull out. So I'm currently busy removing all the hoses from all the tru-hulls. Like you can see, this one is one of the original ones, still with the original hose on it, so this hose must be 42 years old. They're really good hoses, so I've done the job, but I'm going to replace it with new hoses anyway. It's part of the installation. So this one is so stuck on here that I had to, heating up didn't work, so I had to cut it to be able to pull it off. So that's it. So 4 done, 5 more to go. So we got all the tru-hulls fitted. Now just pulled out the toilet because I needed access to put the last bend on the tru-hull. Yeah, I got that one later than the rest, so need to make some space. Would have been impossible to get it on anyway, so I'm happy. So these are all the new tru-hulls. They're all TruDesign, brand I've used on the previous boat as well. So let's see how they go on this one. So did that yesterday. We put all the tru-hull, day before yesterday, all the tru-hulls in. Yesterday the valves, and today I'll hook up all the hoses again. The toilet was directly hooked up, but I'm gonna put a vented loop in, so that will go up there. Might go into the cupboard, maybe not. I have to have a look. Just finished the install of the hoses. That was started at 11 or 12 o'clock. Yeah, 11. So it's now 5 o'clock. So that's 6 hours of hoses rehooking. But this is the toilet now. So I've got a vented loop in the cupboard here. So that should be above the hill waterline. So both of them are vented. Plug. I've got the little hose hooked up for the sink. Then I've got it's a bit of a mess in the boat, I can imagine. In here I've got the sink drain and the new salt water pickup. So we have a salt water tap hooked up. I'm leaving everything open so I can check it when the boat goes in the water. Then in the engine room I've got the 1 and 2 cockpit drains. I've got the shaft cooling, and I've got the engine raw water pickup, which goes all the way up there into the filter. It's a bit of a silly system. Might change it one day, but for now I'm going to leave it like that. And then I have in the back, in the kastje there, I've got the girl's sink hooked up as well. That's 10 tru-hulls already rehosed. That was a big job.
Ja, klaar voor nog?
Ja. Oh, zoveel molen.
Ja, helemaal gek van de molen.
Molen overloop. And I don't like to wear a skirt because if you go down the steep stairs, they can fall.
It goes around and it goes vertical and horizontal and it loops the water up.
Oh wow! Oh, I did not know that because I did a different school.
ourselves.
But I'm more worried about the 10 tru-hulls we replaced.
Yeah, they're all good. Of course they're all good. That looks good. No, I had to check. There's no water leaking.
Okay, cool.
We'll see tomorrow morning if it's still floating.
Kling. Kling, kling, kling.
Do you need to stop and have a little breath?
No, I'm trying to put in it.
So, you're hanging right, Nook? What does it smell like, Fleur?
It smells so perfumey.
Yeah, now try it.
Ta-da! So they've got a curved side and a
yeah.
flat side.
Oh, okay.
Oh!
Oh, look at that.
Custom made.
Dun, 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 dun. Two go together in the one bed, and then one, and then the other person one. So like that. Okay, say bye to the people that are watching. Bye.